Hi friends, today we are going to be continuing the work that we've done in class with finding the missing angle in right angles and straight angles. We're going to broaden that today by looking at circles. So our objective says, how do I estimate measures within a circle? We're going to use two mathematical practices to do that. One, we're going to look for and make use of structure, so thinking about what it looks like and how it's been put together. And then second, we're going to be looking at mathematical practice number 8. We're going to look for and express regularity and repeated reasoning, which means basically we're going to look for patterns within the shape that we're given. So I'm looking at this shape, and I just want to look and glance myself to see anything that I notice about it before I go anywhere else. So first thing that I'm noticing is that this looks pretty close to a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to measure that as 90 degrees. And I'm remembering my total circle needs to equal 360 degrees. Okay. Now, the other thing that I can tell right off the bat is that this angle is obtuse, and this angle is also obtuse. So I know that the angle needs to be greater than 90 degrees. So I'm going to use these descriptions of the circle, thinking about the structure of the circle and how it's put together, and then look at my four options. So option number 1 says 90 degrees plus 270 degrees plus 90 degrees. So that's good that I have 90. I need that. 270, that could work because I know 270 is obtuse. So I'll check that one off, and then plus 90. But I'm noticing that I don't have a second right angle. And the other thing, if I add this together, 90 plus 270 is 360, plus another 90 would be 450 degrees, and that's a big no. Now I'm going to look at my second. I have 45 degrees plus 45 degrees plus 90 degrees. So I know 90 degrees I need, but 45 and 45, these are acute. And we don't want acute angles, we want two obtuse angles. And 45 and 45 I know is 90. 90 plus 90 is 180 degrees. That doesn't even equal 360, so that's out. Let's look at letter C. 90 degrees plus 130 plus 140 degrees. So 90, check. We think we have a right angle here. Now 130, yes, that is obtuse and it's greater than 90, so I'm going to check that. 140, let's see, it's greater than 90, so it's obtuse, so far we look pretty good. And let's just make sure it equals 360 degrees. So I'm going to just write this one out because it's something that I want to take my time with and really check. So 0, 0, and 0, 0. 3 and 4 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. So 6 carry my 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So it does equal 360 degrees. So I'm good there. So I'm feeling pretty good about letter C right now. Now let's look. 120 degrees plus 120 plus 120. So that means every one of those angles would have to look exactly the same. And just by looking at it visually, I can see that this 90 degrees is a lot smaller than my other two angles. So I'm going to get rid of this right away, even though it does equal 360 degrees. So looking at all of our options, I'm finding letter C is the only one that matches all of our criteria. So this is the same work that I'm going to be looking for you to do tomorrow. And the biggest takeaways here is that we look at this circle first before we do anything else and decide, what can I already tell about this circle? What do I know about right angles, straight angles, acute angles, and obtuse angles to help me estimate what's inside of this circle? Good luck, and see you tomorrow.